Okay, now I'm going to walk you through how to create your own invitation using the free version of Canva. So all you have to do is go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. It's so no cost, no credit card information. You can start right away. And so what you're going to do is click up here to create a design, and you're going to create custom dimensions. Now while they do have an invitation template already built into Canva, it's a square design, and so I kind of prefer the rectangular invitation, so I always use my own custom dimensions. And so when you do it, it's usually going to have pixels as a default. You want to make sure you're in inches. And then I want to make a horizontal invitation, so I'm going to click 7 by 5 and create my design. And so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a background for my invite, and I'm going to pick just from one of the ones that they already have built into Canva, this pink kind of marbly looking background. Now, next thing I can do is, let's say I want to make a unicorn invitation. I can upload images I already have on my computer for a unicorn invitation. So these are ones I've already uploaded, but it's really as simple as just picking something you have on your computer and dragging it right over. And there it goes. It's loading up into Canva. So, for our invitation, let's put this little banner tassel thing up top, and maybe we'll put this little unicorn girl over here on the side. And so that's going to be the imagery for our invite. And now we're going to need some text, right? So we're going to go over to the left hand side here, put text and add heading. And so we're going to write, please join us in celebrating. And I'm going to make it a wee bit smaller. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to change the font. So right up there you can click on font, and it has this big long menu of different fonts. You'll notice that some of them are in black and some of them are kind of grayed out. The grayed out ones are ones that become available if you use the Canva Pro, so the paid version of Canva. But there's still plenty of fonts on here that you can use in the free version. So I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to change the color to purple. If you notice on the left hand side here, they show the images that you added and the different colors. So if you want to use colors from that same color family, you can just select one of the colors that are used within your images. So I picked this purple that's part of the tassel color, so it all should work well together. And I'm going to move this over a little bit. Okay, and so now I want to add a different kind of text for the name for Haley's 4th birthday. And so again, we're going to make it a little smaller. We're going to widen the box so we can fit it all in one line. And I'm going to move it over here. And again, I want to pick a different font. Maybe that one. Maybe we have to make it a little bigger because it's a bigger font than the one that was the default. And so now we're going to use pink. But I think that's too light of a pink. I think it blends in. So you see up here where there's like this rainbow color thing. You can click that and you can click a different shade of the color so that you can make it a little darker or lighter, but it's still in that kind of color family. So I'm going to go there with that kind of purpley pink. And so let's say I want to continue with the party information with this font. I don't have to go back and start at the beginning again. I can just click up here for the dot 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 and do duplicate. And so for the party information, I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to center it with the rest of the text, but I'm going to bring down the size a little bit and click on it, and we're going to write Saturday, July 18th, 2020 at 2 p.m. and we're going to have it at 123 Unicorn Way. And one thing you can do is you can make the spacing between the lines bigger or smaller so it doesn't look so crowded. And then we need the RSVP, so this time I'm going to use the same font as we used for Haley's name, but we're going to bring it down again a little bit in size, and then we're going to write RSVP to mom at 123-456-790, and so that's basically all you need to do, and now you have a cute little unicorn invitation. Now obviously if I was going to really create this to be sold, I might really look more into the different fonts and make sure it looks perfect. But just so you know, another thing you can do is you can create your own background. You don't have to just use from the default examples. Let's say you uploaded this picture, you can drag it over here and put it in the corner, and you can spread it out so it fills the space, and now you have whatever background you want. You're not limited to the sample backgrounds that Canva provides. And so that's it. So that's how you create your own invitation using Canva.